So we went from that to the Sundown. The Sundown's gone, but now we have the Sundowns. We got a new build. It's American as hell. I've really changed the setup and I've really done it right this time. It wasn't slapped together like the last one. The only problem is I do hate how forward my seat is. Like, I don't know, man. If I get a belt sander up and running, I'm actually gonna sand this down like this just so I can get my seat back one more click, because it'd be so much better. My amp is actually fastened to this hump here. Got my wires all nice and routed. American flag box. Access to all the coils terminals from the outside, so we have these two ran together and parallel, not series, parallel, because we're going down to 1 ohm, dual 4, 2 dual 4s. That goes to 221. And I mounted my bass knob up here nice and ghetto lean, routed it through all the other cables, and it's wrapped around my tack cable to hold it up, and then it comes through and goes down through all that.
Speaker sound. Soon as I hear misses, like them saying, pay no attention, cause
I gotta say, this actually overall is an upgrade. I have huge frequency coverage now, and I'm chewing on a bottle cap, so I sound nerdy.
Giving me power to fight up the grave. I am so numb deep inside of my veins. I remember your face, I remember the place. People inside of my shows until I explode. They just was watching me grow. So that I show everything changing, but time moving slow.